Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad Algebra problem. And here we have a cubed plus a square equals to 810 and we find the value of a. So here you focus on the right hand side and we have 810 and we write this 810 as we will multiply 800, we write this 810 as 81 multiplied by 10. You know that 81 times of 10 becomes 810, and now we write this 81 as 9 square, and we write this 10 as 9 minus or 9 plus 1. So you know that 9 plus 1 is also 10. And now we multiply this 9 square on both of these values. Then you get 9 square multiplied by 9 becomes 9 cubed plus 9 square. And now here we replace this 810 by 9 cubed plus 9 square. And now our given equation will becomes in this form. A cubed plus a square equals to 9 cubed plus 9 square. And in the next step, we move these two terms in the left hand side and we make the pair of cubic term as well as the square term. So we combine this a cube with a 9 cube and a square with 9 square, and we get a cubed minus 9 cubed, and we have this plus a square minus 9 square, and this whole equals to 0. So here we need two famous formulas. The one is cubic and the other is square. So we know that a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. And the square identity is a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we need these two famous formulas in the above term. And now first we use the cubic formula, so that this a cube minus 9 cube equals to, after using this formula we get a minus 9 times of a square plus 9a plus 9 square, and this is plus we have a square minus 9 square, and we use this formula, and after using this we get a minus 9 times of a plus 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now you focus on both of these equations and you see that we have a minus 9 be the common factor, and we take it common a minus 9, and we obtain here a square plus 9a, and we have 9 square, and you know that 9 square equals to 81, and when we take common a minus 9 then we get here a plus 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now we will simplify the terms, and we have a minus 9 times of a square, and 9a plus a becomes 10a, and 81 plus 9 equals to 90, and this whole equals to 0. So in the next step we convert this equation in two cases. So our first case is we write a minus 9 equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 10a plus 90 equals to 0. So that in the first case you easily get the value of a equals to 9. So this is our first root of the given equation. And now in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So that here first we write the coefficients of this equation, and we have so we have already a used in this equation, so we can write its coefficients in capital letters. So we have capital A equals to 1, capital B equals to 10, and capital C equals to 90. And our quadratic formula will be written as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So now we put the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula and we get the other roots of the given equation. So that here we substitute the values of all these coefficients here, and you have b is 10. So when we put here, it will becomes minus 10 plus minus square root of b square, and our b is 10, so 10 square becomes 100 minus 4 times of ac. So our a is 1 and c is 90. So 90 times of 4 will becomes 360 divided by 2 times of a, and our a is 1, so it will becomes only 2. And now we simplify this equation and we get a equals to minus 10 plus minus 100 minus 360 equals to minus 260 divided by 2. So here we can just separate the square root of 260 and square root of minus 1. So it will be equals to minus 10 plus minus square root of 260 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. And we know that the square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and we write this 260 as minus 10 plus minus square root of 260. We replace 260 by 65 times of 4, because when you multiply 65 times of 4, then we get here 260, and we know that minus 1 square root equals to iota, and this whole divided by 2. So now here we again take little bit simplifications and we get minus 10 plus minus, here you have the square root of 4 becomes 2, and the square root of 65 into iota divided by 2. So here we separate these two terms and we move towards our final answer. So that here first we separate the terms and we have minus 10 over 2 plus minus 2 into square root of 65 divided by 2 into iota, and now we cancelled some terms and we have this 2 5s are 10, and we get minus 5 plus minus this 2 is cancelled out by this one, and we get 65 square root of iota. So these are the other two complex values of the given equation, and its one real value, it is a equals to 9. So this is the three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.